It is a troubling statistic. Black women are more likely to die from breast and cervical cancer than any other ethnic group.
This according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. New at 5, WPTV News Channel 5 Sabira Rayford spoke with a West Palm Beach nurse practitioner who says prevention starts with screenings.
Karen Wisdom Chambers says most of the women she treats either don't have insurance or are underinsured. She's working to get the word out that help is still available.
Iloma Mendonca says her breast cancer diagnosis stemmed from her son accidentally elbowing her in the chest.
Like, oh my gosh, and I just popped it a little bit, and I did nothing else, and then eventually a lump came there, and that is where the whole thing started.
In 2018, at 44 years old, Mendonca was diagnosed with stage 3 breast cancer. Before the diagnosis, she had never been screened.
I never was into it, and people never enlightened me that you're supposed to be having screening every year.
According to the CDC, Black and white women get diagnosed with breast cancer at the same rate, but Black women are 42% more likely to die from it.
As we've seen, especially during COVID, that Black and brown people are dying at far more rate than our white counterparts. And so I do believe if all people had access to care, that would be resolved.
Karen Wisdom Chambers is a nurse practitioner at the Caridad Center, a free medical clinic in West Palm Beach. They have partnered with the Promise Fund of Florida to subsidize the cost of mammograms and pap smears for women who are either uninsured or underinsured.
Because they don't have insurance or they're underinsured, they believe they don't get the care that they deserve.
Wisdom Chambers says if found early, breast and cervical cancers are more than 90% survivable. Mendonca is now receiving low-cost subsidized care and has a patient coordinator to help her through her treatment process.
My advice to them is do take early screening and pay attention to what is going on with your health.
Reporting in West Palm Beach, Sabira Rayford, WPTV News Channel 5.